Today we discuss about ligand, which is a very important topic for the transition elements. So ligands are the substance that donate electron pair to central metal atom. जो substance electron pair का donor है बच्चे उसको आप नाम देते हो ligands का. So we define as the substance that donate electron pair electron pair to central metal atom and form dative bond. It forms coordinate covalent bond also named as dative bond. Dative bond बनाता है with the central metal atom. It may be negative charge, neutral or positive charged as well. There are different types of ligand, but before that I will discuss about some examples. That is in case of complex like CuNH3 4, in this complex compound NH3 is the one which is ligand. It donate electron pair, it has electron pair on nitrogen. It donate this electron pair to copper and form coordinate covalent bond with copper. So it is a neutral ligand. In the case we write complex like K4 Fe H2O twice Cl4. In this coordination compound, the ligand is water, which is the neutral ligand, and chlorine, which is the negative ligand, also called chloride as well. तो बच्चे ये आपके पास negative ligand भी है, neutral ligand भी है. These both are ligands and they form dative bond with iron, which is the central metal atom. Now we discuss the types of ligand. Now we have first type. It is the first type of ligand that is named as monodendate ligand, and the mono stand for one. Mean it is a ligand that donate one electron pair. So we define as the ligand that donate one pair of electron, one pair of electron to central metal atom, central metal atom or ion. तो ये बच्चे आपकी definition है for monodendate ligand, and it has different types. Again, it may be neutral as well. First type of monodendate ligand, ये जो आपके first type है neutral ligand. Now we discuss about the neutral ligand. These are water that contain lone pair on oxygen, ammonia, it contain lone pair on nitrogen, then carbonyl as well, it contain lone pair on oxygen. So these are the neutral ligand having no charge. Then negative ligand, like बच्चे Cl negative that has 7 electron in the valence shell. When you got negative charge बच्चे इसके पास 4 lone pairs हैं, mean it is lone pair donor as well having negative charge. Next one is fluoride ion that contain negative charge, lone pair as well. You got cyanide ion. ये बच्चे आपके important ligands हैं, they are important for the board exam as well. You got hydroxide ion, that is OH negative with the lone pair on oxygen. तो ये बच्चे आपके पास negative और neutral ligands की examples. These are monodendate because they only donate one pair of electron. Now the next type is biotended ligand. These are the ligands that donate two electron pair. Electron pair. ये बच्चे दो इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर डोनेट करते हैं टू सेंट्रल मेटल एटम और आयन. They may be neutral as well, they may be positive as well. Now if we discuss about number one, the neutral ligands, the examples are number one, hydrazine. In hydrazine, the formula is N2H4, may write as NH2 single bond NH2. There are two nitrogen, both contain lone pair. तो ये बच्चे आपके पास biotended ligand है. Now the example number 2, they are very important example. The next example is that is your ethylene diamine. That is ethylene stand for there are two carbons, and diamines mean it has two NH2 groups on both sides. one NH2 on the left side having lone pair, one NH2 on the right side having lone pair as well. It is called ethylene diamine. Ethylene diamine, also represented by En in the nomenclature of complex compound. Now we take the second type, that is your neutral ligands. Now we discuss the second type, that is your negative ligands. ये बच्चे आपके ligand that contain negative charge, that is your sulfate ligand, sulfate ion having SO4 minus 2 charge, SO4 with 2 negative charge. The structure for sulfate ligand is that contain 4 oxygens and 2 oxygen having negative charge and 2 form double bond with sulfur. तो ये बच्चा आपके पास example for sulfate ligand. Then we got carbonate ligand or carbonate ion having formula CO3 2 minus. Here carbon forms 3 bond with oxygen. There are 3 oxygens and having 2 negative charge. You got negative charge here with double bond O. So these are the lone pair donors. They having 2 lone pair for donation. On the similar basis we have oxalate ion having formula C2O4 2 minus. Again बच्चे oxalate ion, there are 2 carbons. The structure for oxalate ion is carbon forms a single bond with carbon. There are a double bond with O as well, and this carbon having O negative ion, this carbon the single bond O negative ion, so they are the lone pairs on oxygen. So oxalate also donate 2 pair of electrons. तो ये बच्चे आपके पास biotended ligand की 2 types. One of them is neutral ligand having no charge and second of them is negative ligand that donate 2 electron pairs. Now next type is tridentate ligand. These are the ligand that donate 3 electron pairs. तो ये बच्चे आपके 3 electron pair donate करते हैं to central metal atom or ion. We have the example of the neutral ligand which is tridentate, that is named as diethylene triamine. Diethylene triamine. That is, बच्चे ethylene stand for 2 carbon, di मतलब we write CH2 single bond CH2 1 ethylene, then second ethylene CH2 single bond, these are diethylenes and triamines. Now we write first one NH2, first amine group, then second amine group, and the third one in between these 2 carbons like NH single bond. So N contain 1 electron pair, second N contain 1 electron pair, third contain 1 lone pair of electron as well. So this molecule can donate 3 pair of electrons and named as tridentate ligand. Here we discuss about hexadentidate ligand. Hexadentidate ligand mean the ligand that donate 6 electron pair, which can be donated by single ligand, and that is called hexadentidate, also named as polydentate ligand. And the example is EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetate ion, named as EDTA, also written as ethylene diamine tetra मतलब 4, T for tetra, A for acetate ion. Now we write the structure for this one. बच्चे first one you need ethylene diamine. ethylene formula बच्चे भी आपने लिखा था, that is CH2 single bond CH2, it is your ethylene. Diamine mean that contain 2 nitrogen, one here, and tetraacetate mean 4 आपको अच्छे लगाने हैं acetic acid से acetate groups like CH2COO negative charge. This is the first acetate group. Then second one CH2C double bond O, O minus second acetate group. Then बच्चे third one CH2C double bond O and O negative. ये बच्चे आपने third group लगा दिया. And this is the fourth group CH2C double bond O and O minus. Now we see one electron pair on oxygen, second lone pair here, third on nitrogen, fourth on second nitrogen, then fifth one and sixth one. So this is the ligand that donates 6 pair of electron to central metal atom and named as polydentate or hexadentidate ligand.